From vibrant parades to inclusive celebration, Pride festivals are powerful reminders of the importance of visibility, acceptance, and community. And in Caroline County, that spirit is shining bright. Caroline Pride is gearing up for their upcoming Pride Festival, a celebration of love, identity, and unity for all. And joining me today is Angel Perez. He is the CEO and founder of Caroline Pride. Angel, good to see you today.
Nice to see you again.
So for those who aren't familiar, tell us about Caroline Pride.
But Caroline Pride is a nonprofit organization who prioritize and focus our services to the LGBT community in Caroline County.
And you're having the Pride Festival?
Yes, actually we started Caroline County Pride Festival before we opened the Caroline Pride organization. Caroline Pride organization was an outcome out of the festival 5 years ago.
Yeah, and you were saying it is was one of the largest or the first on the shore?
One of the first large scale events in the Eastern Shore.
Yeah.
For the Pride community.
Okay, so tell us what kind of activities, entertainment, what will be going on during the festival?
Well, this year we have a lot of activities, a lot of performances. We have live entertainment, we have all local performances or performers. We have Michaela, we have Ellie Rose, we have a local belly dancing group, Samari Dance, and we have our drag queen show on stage, leading by Miss Trans Maryland 2024, Davina Reigns-Care. We have fashion show, karaoke on the street, free rainbow roses for one of our local downtown businesses, and we have free mini pride flags, and we have this year a specific family activities area. We have bouncy house, we have make your own flag, we're gonna have face painting.
Wow.
And we're gonna have a lot of activities also for the family.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Now, Caroline County is a rural area. Why do you think it's important for rural communities like Caroline to have these kind of celebrations?
I'm gonna tell you a short story. When we did the first Pride Festival, I have a lot of conversations with high schoolers that year, and one of the things I heard a lot that day was, I just want to graduate and leave because I don't feel welcome here. I don't feel I belong here. That's why we opened the Caroline Pride organization after that. But this particular event is not only for us to celebrate Pride once a year, but also to raise awareness and educate our community about inclusion, equity, and respect.
Okay, so are there, I mean, you just pretty much told me your goals there, so how have they gone over in the past? How have the Pride celebration been accepted by the community in the past?
But we, the first year, to be honest with you, I was a little bit worried about how the community gonna receive this particular event, being the first time we have an event like that in our county. But the acceptance was amazing. Yeah. In the last 5 years, we always have the support from our community. We always have the support from local government and the local businesses in the downtown area. So we've been lucky, and we appreciate all the support we received the last 5 years.
And of course, this celebration is for everyone.
Absolutely, absolutely.
No matter if you are part of the LGBTQ community or not.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Our festival is open to everyone. We welcome everyone. And last year, 65% of the attendees of our festival was families, allies. And the kids have a really good time in our festival. One of the kids call it the happy event, or I think it was the happy festival, something like that.
The happy festival, I like that. I like that.
No, we welcome everyone, and that's why we try to have something in our festival for everyone to enjoy.
Okay, real quick, when is it and where?
Oh, Saturday, June 7th. It's gonna be 3 to 8 p.m. and it's gonna be in downtown Denton.
All right, Angel Perez with Caroline Pride. Thank you so much. Good luck with the festival. Have fun.
Thank you.